Welcome to Mate's World, short infographic film, explaining the benefits of the Mate cryptocurrency and how it can benefit you from acquiring it, and how you can buy it without earning it. First, you need to download and register on the Mate application so you can begin buying all sorts of items with great discounts, selling to new customers, and making money by sharing other users' items that are for sale on the Mate buying, selling and trading application. Once you become a Mate, you can begin trading, either sell your own items or you can sell other people's items. All you have to do is match up what we have to sell on Mate with your mates, friends and family. We call it intelligent sharing. It works fine. If you share something and the person you shared it to does not buy it but shares it on to someone who does, both you and that person will earn sharers commission, so will the seller and the buyer. Win, win, win! Buying and selling is easy on Mate. All you need to do is find what you are looking for with our inbuilt search engine and buy it or share it. Any sales achieved from your sharing pays you sharers commission. Once you have earned sharers commission on Mate, you can convert it to the Mate cryptocurrency. If you do that, we will thank you by giving you an additional 25% value of what you gave us. So if you swap your $100 of Mate sharers commission for Mate cryptocurrency, you will receive $125 worth of Mate cryptocurrency in exchange, which we will guarantee to buy back off you, minus the fees we have to pay to do that.